मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए कारवां बनता गया. मजरू सुल्तानपुरी साहिब जैसे शायर हमेशा जिंदा रहते हैं क्योंकि जिंदगी को बहुत करीब से देख के अपनी शायरी में ढालते हैं. माता सुंदरी परिवार की एलुमने एसोसिएशन की कहानी इसी शेर में छुपी है. I still remember the day when in one staff council in 2017, Neerja and myself were nominated as the convener and co-convener. हमारा first natural reaction था, हम तो alumni भी नहीं है. But we have come a long way from there. First formal alumni meet in 2016, led by Dr. Amarveer Kaur and a team of teachers who worked. Second combined alumni meet in 2019 in the pre-corona era with huge crowds, celebrity chief guest Ms. Dolly Ahluwalia, and illustrious alumni accomplished in various fields. We will surely revive some memories today. For me personally, 2019 was the sweetest memory of the journey so far, but I'm sure I will make many more. I cannot forget how the entire college has organized several alumni meets at departmental level since 2016. College IQAC has been very supportive and instrumental in these endeavors. Recently, one was organized for career counseling of the students. Such accomplishments are never possible without solid support and guidance of the head of the institution. I'm filled with a sense of pride and feel privileged to have such a leader guide us. I now invite Madam Principal, Professor Dr. Harpreet Kaur for the welcome address in this introductory webinar to introduce the alumni office bearers for this newly constituted Alumni Association. Ma'am, over to you.
Yes. Good evening. From the core of my heart, I welcome all the alumni who are here present here. And I really thank you so much that you are associated with the college. And the journey of this Alumni Association presently where we have reached has been explained by Pooja. In short, that how we had just gathered together the pieces and we wanted that Alumni Association should be strong. But now I think we have to make it stronger. The bond has to be stronger and we have to come together and we have to do various activities. Now we have made a preliminary kind of committee and I congratulate all the office bearers, and personally I want to thank them. They have taken up this responsibility, and Satpal Kaur and all those who are here as office bearers. I'm sure with your experience and your association and your commitment, you will take this Alumni Association further, because we have to chart new courses. See, we are doing so many things just for profit. Maybe even if you are doing pursuing a profession, we are getting remuneration and so many things, and so many things which we are doing at home. But this association with your alumni association is kind of a interaction where you will come together on, of course, non-profit basis, yet you will have to give your services, and that also with kind of, sentimental attachment. So I really welcome you all, and I'm sure that you will carry forward this thing which we have initiated, and we will do further things. I remember the last alumni meet which we had at the college, and I think the Audi was full, 500 capacity. Audi was completely full, and we had a lot of activities where not only the students spoke their own experiences, they spelled out that their story of success and so many things. But similarly, we want that we gather together and we talk about our own association and our own experiences, that what we have done in our lives and what we want to tell others, especially the younger generations who are associated with the Mata Sundari College, I want that you should spell out what has happened in your life and how you have to chart this course, because ultimately everybody has to go in the field or do whether it is a personal space, whether it is a professional space. You should understand that challenges are there everywhere, but how to meet those challenges, and if you have some inspiration, I think it becomes easier. You have a role model before you that this is what you want to become, and then I think things become better. So this is what is actually what I feel is that the office bearers who have taken up this responsibilities should inspire others to come forward and do certain activities, because simple things like internship, placements, and cultural activities, all these things we can do together, and even we can have some fun activities together, just enjoying. So that is also important. So it is up to you how you plan it and how you take it forward. But what is important is that you always keep on doing some activities. Always there should be a kind of a continuity कि अब ये activity होगी, आगे हमारा ये plan है. People should know about it, and people should time. I think it should be so challenging that people come forward, the other students also come forward and they associate with you. Now, the second challenge, what I believe is that we have to register this alumni association, and that is the challenge. And in this vein, I really want to thank and really appreciate Pooja and her team, who have really done quite a lot of work, and they have structured alumni association in some format which we can build and which can take a formal consent and formal kind of a sanction can be given to this association. So those putting those bits and pieces together, that has been really done by all her team, Pooja, and I'm not naming others, but I know each one has put in a lot of effort, and they have put in pieces together, and we are seeing so many alumni who have registered themselves, and some kind of formal sanction we need now. And for that, I think you will all have to work very hard and find time for getting it registered. And once the registration is done, then this body is all yours. It is up to you how you run it, how you present it. Presenting is also very important. So today, not only that we register it, but how we are conveying or disseminating these things, that is also equally important. So a lot of challenges are ahead, I know, but I am also sure that with the kind of spirit, you will always continue this kind of spirit, and you will always be enthused to do good activities further. And for this, I really wish now all of you that you have done so far, and you will do further also, I know. And altogether, we have to make a mark, because I'm seeing that alumni association in various colleges in Delhi University is also doing very well, and they are doing various activities full-fledgedly, where the association of the college is not, rather the college is invited. So I want that you should go to that level, and by and large, I think this is the most important challenge which is there in front of you. So I once again appreciate all, and the team also, and the office bearers also, and all those participants who are here, all the alumni who are here. And I want that more and more people should join and retain and disseminate the values of Mata Sundari Ji, and the values actually those values, truthful conduct, and all those things, because I think these values make the basis of a strong character. And what I aspire is that my students should have strong character and confidence in life, so that they can bear all, and then the success will be all yours. So all the best, everyone, and have a really enjoyable evening. Thank you.
Thanks, ma'am, for extremely inspiring and insightful ideas, as always. And I'm sure the office bearers are also enthused, and all alumni, teachers, students, all who are hearing are enthused by your lovely comments. And one thing I want to say to all of you is that Alumni Association always has to be student and alumni centric. Teachers alone cannot do much. That ma'am has very well clearly told you in her address. And now it is very gratifying to hand over the proceedings of the evening, as having this association was a dream which is now being realized thanks to God Almighty and Mataji. So Miss Kirandeep Kaur, who is a faculty in the coveted philosophy department of our college, and I want to appreciate and emphasize that she is an alumna of Mata Sundari College and has come forward as the vice president. All the office bearers who have taken this leap of faith, as ma'am very well specified in her comments, in the first duly constituted Alumni Association, deserve our full support and appreciation. May all enjoy the fruits of your labor, all 5 of you. So Kirandeep ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. यादों की गलियों में टहलने निकल गए, कुछ पल बिताए थे तुम्हारे साथ, आज उसे याद करने निकल गए. With this line, I, Kirandeep Kaur, faculty and alumni of this college, welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of our institute. This virtual alumni meet is organized to introduce, as ma'am said, to introduce newly formed alumni association to our dear alumni. I feel proud and honored to be present myself as the host of today's event, and I extend my warm welcome to all who have joined. This day is very important as it provides an opportunity for everyone to meet each other after so many years. I know that time does not stop for anyone, and it takes a lot to take some time out of your busy schedule to be here, and for that I'm really thankful to all of them. But one thing I can assure you is that today's event is going to rewind our past memories and definitely will form new ones that we will cherish in future. I want to say something. I have written something. एक कॉलेज का जमाना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था, चाहत चांद को पाने की थी, पर दिल तितली का दीवाना था. खबर ना थी कुछ सुबह की, ना शाम का ठिकाना था. थक कर आना कॉलेज से, पर शाम को दोस्तों से गप भी लड़ाना था. दोस्तों की दोस्ती थी, सपनों का खजाना था. बारिश में बस और ऑटो का इंतजार था, पर मौसम बड़ा सुहाना था. वो भी क्या जमाना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था. वो भी क्या जमाना था. खैर अब तो जमाना पेंडेमिक का है, we all know. And we know that this pandemic has affected and changed many aspects of our lives, but it's still not taken the hope of meeting. And all thanks to virtual medium. So we have taken the opportunity to organize this association meet to help to introduce newly formed an association to our college, to our dear alumni. This is, as Pooja Jaggi ma'am already mentioned, this is first duly alumni association of the college with office bearers at college level. But I want to add one more thing. As it is said, good work is never done without motivation and support. And I'm really thankful and grateful to our principal ma'am, Professor Harpreet Kaur, for her constant encouragement and motivation. Without her guidance and encouragement, it won't be possible for us to actualize this idea. Thank you, Principal ma'am. So moving further, now I request to Dr. Satpal Kaur, President of our Alumni Association, to kindly introduce herself.
Thank you.
Over to you, Satpal ma'am.
Thank you, Kirandeep. यूं ही नहीं होती हाथों की लकीरों के आगे उंगलियां, रब ने भी किस्मत से पहले मेहनत लिखी है. माता सुंदरी कॉलेज की इस अलमनाई मीट के शुभ अवसर पर मैं इस कॉलेज की प्रिंसिपल साहिबा प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर हरप्रीत कौर का धन्यवाद करती हूँ और कॉलेज की कमेटी का भी धन्यवाद करती हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे यह अवसर प्रदान किया कि आज मैं आप सबके समक्ष अपनी उस उड़ान को पेश कर सकूं जिसका आगाज माता सुंदरी कॉलेज से हुआ। मैंने अपने टीचर्स के आशीर्वाद, मोटिवेशन, मार्गदर्शन और अपनी मेहनत से उन बुलंदियों को छुआ है जहां कोई कोई ही पहुंच पाता है। क्या आप जानते हैं कि मेरे पंखों में प्रवास की तरबियत किसने भरी? एक लंबा अरसा हो गया इस कॉलेज से पढ़े। ऐसा लगता है कि इस कॉलेज में जैसे कल की ही बात हो। इस कॉलेज में वो मेरे सारे गुरु जैसे मिसेस जौहल, पॉल, राजिंदर कौर, सुखजीत, तजिंदर कौर, अमरजीत कौर और महेंद्र कौर गिल, जिन्होंने मुझे पढ़ाया और मेरा मार्गदर्शन किया। प्रिंसिपल मिसेस मान, जिन्होंने मेरे हर कार्य को सराहा। इसके अलावा वह सारे लेक्चरर जो स्टेज से और गेम से संबंध रखते थे, उन्होंने मुझे आगे बढ़ने का हर अवसर प्रदान किया। कॉलेज की सारी गतिविधियों में भाग लेने के लिए मेरा मनोबल बढ़ाया और आत्मविश्वास दिया, मुझे प्रेरित कर एक ऐसे मुकाम पर पहुंचाया जिसकी वजह से मैं इस कॉलेज की पंजाबी ऑनर्स की गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी टॉपर रही। प्लेग्राउंड में खो खो, लॉन्ग जंप की खिलाड़ी, स्टेज पर एक कवित्री वक्ता बन पाई। सामाजिक और धार्मिक कविताएं लिखने की शुरुआत भी इसी कॉलेज से ही हुई, जो आज भी जारी है। इसका प्रमाण यह है कि पिछले साल महफिले गंगो जमन संस्था की तरफ से मेरी कविता सावन को एक उत्तम कविता के तौर पर चुना गया और 50,000 रुपए का इनाम भी मिला। और एजुकेशन ऑफिस के किसी भी फंक्शन का आगाज मेरी कविता से ही होता था। इस कॉलेज में मैंने बीए ऑनर्स पंजाबी और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से एमए पंजाबी, पीएचडी पंजाबी में ही की। उर्दू पर्शियन का एडवांस डिप्लोमा भी उसी दौरान ही किया और टीचिंग के दौरान एमए इंग्लिश इग्नू से की और एलएलबी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से करके 30,000 में प्रैक्टिस भी की। लेकिन 1993 में बीएड करने के बाद मैंने जीवन के उस रास्ते को चुना जिस पर चलते हुए बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स 12वीं पास करके आगे बढ़ने का मार्ग तलाशते हैं। और मैं इस बात की साक्षी हूँ कि अगर किसी भी स्टूडेंट को, चाहे वो स्कूल का हो या वो कॉलेज का हो, स्कूल कॉलेज का सही माहौल, टीचर्स का और प्रिंसिपल का सही मार्गदर्शन, दिशा मिले, उसकी प्रतिभा और मेहनत पहचान कर उसे मोटिवेट किया जाए, उसके काम की सराहना और प्रेरित किया जाए, वह जरूरी है कि स्कूल और कॉलेज के साथ साथ टीचर्स का भी नाम रोशन करेगा। और आज मैं इसकी वजह से एक विशिष्ट पहचान बनाते हुए आप सबसे मुखातिब हूँ और इस बात का यकीन है कि मेरे गुरुओं को और मेरे कॉलेज को मेरे ऊपर गर्व होगा। 1994 में दिल्ली की सरकारी स्कूल में बतौर पंजाबी टीचर टीजीटी बनी। 2010 में यूपीएससी से सेलेक्ट होकर डायरेक्ट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल बनी और मैं 3,000 बच्चों के भविष्य का निर्माण करने में अपनी तकरीबन 100 टीचर्स के साथ में व्यस्त रही हूँ। इस कॉलेज से पढ़ी स्टूडेंट मैं अपने क्षेत्रों में एक विशेष पहचान बना चुकी हूँ, लेकिन जानते हो इस कॉलेज को मैं कभी नहीं भूल पाई। यह कॉलेज मुझे सबसे अच्छा इसलिए लगता है क्योंकि इसके साथ मेरी बहुत सारी पुरानी यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं, खास तौर पर पुरानी बिल्डिंग की यादें जो आज ताजा हो पाई। बड़े चेते आउंदे ने दौर अनमुल्ले हवा दे बुल्ले, हमेशा तो नहीं पर कदे कदे ही सही, क्लास बंक करना, सवेरे खो खो दी प्रैक्टिस करना, किट पा के सारा दिन कॉलेज दे चक्कर लगाना, स्पोर्ट्स कूपन लैके कैंटीन चो आमलेट डोसा अते 2.5 रुपये दी कैंपा पीनी, लाइब्रेरी में जाके किताबां लभना, लॉन्ग टर्म ਦੀਆਂ किताबां इशू करवाणियां, नोटिस बोर्ड ਦੇ हर नोटिस ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਅਤੇ हर ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਗ ਲੈਣਾ ਅਤੇ ਕਦੇ-ਕਦੇ ਕਨਾਟ ਪਲੇਸ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵਿੰਡੋ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਵੀ ਕਰਨੀ और बंगला साहब जाके उस परम पिता परमेश्वर ਦਾ शुक्रिया अदा करना और ਅੱਜ भी शुक्रिया अदा करदी हाँ उस परम पिता परमेश्वर दा कि मैनू इन्ने अच्छे स्कूल दा विद्या हासिल हुई और इस वेले प्रिंसीपल मैम डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर हरप्रीत मैडम दी अगवाई दे अंडर असी लोग इस कॉलेज दे विच अलमनाई बन सके और साडी कमेटी जिहड़ी हैगी है बहुत अच्छी अगे भी चलती रहे, अगे भी होर वैबीनार हुंदे रहन, इस तरह दी मैं उम्मीद करदी हाँ और मैडम दा आशीर्वाद और कमेटी जिहड़ी हैगी है ताकि उन्हां दा आशीर्वाद साडी कमेटी दे उत्ते रहे ताकि असी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे अगे प्रोग्राम भी करते रहिए और वैबीनार करते रहिए। जल्दी उम्मीद करदी हैगी हाँ कि कॉलेज जल्दी खुल जाण ताकि असी उन्हां नू जाके हग कर सकीए और धन्यवाद कर सकीए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Dr. Satpal, and definitely we are proud of you. Moving further, next, I would like to call Dr. Avni as secretary. I request her to give her introduction. Dr. Avni,
Yeah,
over to you.
thank you, Kiran ma'am. Good evening, everyone, and good evening, Principal ma'am, Pooja ma'am, all the faculty members, my dear fellow office bearers, and our dear alumni of Mata Sundari College who are here with us today. With great honor and pleasure, I take this opportunity to introduce myself as the General Secretary of our very first duly constituted Alumni Association for the year 2021-22. I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, Dr. Professor Harpreet Kaur, and Pooja Ma'am for giving me a chance to reconnect to the college so that I can allow myself to serve in whichever capacity I can. And I'm currently teaching as an assistant professor at Vivekanand Institute of Professional Studies, which is affiliated from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. And after completing my graduation from Mata Sundari College, I completed my MA English, passed my MPhil as a gold medalist, and finally did my PhD from IP University, Dwarka. I'm active in various academic and extracurricular activities of the institution, and I have actively done theatre, and I have been a part of Rasrang Theatre Repertory of GGS IPU. I've acted in many plays and I've handled production of many plays as well. But on this special occasion, I would like to share about the beginning of my journey and how Mata Sundari College contributed in shaping me. And I've really fond memories of my alma mater, which gave me all the opportunities to grow academically and also gave me space to explore my creative side. The initial seeds sown in the English department were nurtured appositely, which gave me the courage to further commence my journey in literature. I remember my lectures, I remember my teachers, and I remember growing in those 3 years of my college days, which initiated me to my first stepping stone in literature. As the cultural head, I could interact with the entire college, could grow beyond my limited space. I gained more confidence. I overcame the fear of stage. I learned to work hard in team and I learned to lead. It wouldn't have been possible again without without the faculty support I got from the college. All the admin people, the technical staff were available to facilitate us. Kaira was one integral part of my expedition during my college days. I was very close and still very close to Kaira. It was formed during that time itself, and I was a former member of the society. The spiritual showering in the college was felt every moment by me. I shall always remain grateful to everyone for being such an important part of my college days. I am not naming anyone here right now because the list is long and we do not have much time. But I hope whoever is listening here and whoever knows that how they have been a part of my journey, I'll always be very grateful to you all. Holding a position as an office bearer comes with responsibilities, and therefore I will try to strengthen my connection with all the alumni to keep us connected so that we can pursue more meaningful interactions. Though pandemic has taken away that privilege of physically meeting each other and has pushed us into our cocoons and has taken us to our isolated spaces, But looking at the brighter side, I think we are here today with new modes of interaction, still trying to create a happy place for each other, which will definitely rekindle our old ties. As we strive to reach our career aspirations, life scatters us across different places, disciplines, and industries, leaving no time for us to maintain the channels of communication we had in college. As students and teachers come and go, everyone leaves their mark, defining the course for future generations. The alumni network is a physical embodiment of this, allowing us to foster cross generational, maintain meaningful relationships. Through taking part in this alumni association, you will be able to cultivate your network. We hope to build a community to help better utilize our skill, stay updated about what is going on around us, meet prospective mentors, partners, and gain access to necessary resources that will foster our career development and potential growth. The member can use the collective expertise of the alumnus for advice and self-development. We plan to work with an aim to bring everyone together. Hopefully, this will turn into a place where we can share ideas, discuss opportunities, and create a network to manifest our potentials. As Pooja ma'am was talking about the Karwa, which we hope that the this alumni association will have more people joining. I think that this is the very first step for that, and we hope that this karma will expand. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Arvind. Now I request our treasurer, Dr. Ishpreet Kaur, Faculty of Commerce Department, to introduce herself. Dr. Ishpreet.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Ishpreet Virdi, Assistant Professor at Mata Sundari College. I have graduated from this college in 2009. And
we cannot see you. Is it possible if you can switch on your camera? Or
ma'am, there is a bit network issue.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Sorry. Please carry on.
Okay. I have graduated from this college in 2009, and after completing my master's from Delhi University, I joined back this institution in the year 2012 as a faculty. Having an experience of more than 8 years, I have completed my PhD from Delhi University in the year 2018 and have been connected to the research work since then. We yearn to go back to our happy days, and we also feel very blessed to have experienced such wonderful feelings. I am so grateful to have a platform like Mata Sundari College to share my journey with all of you. As an alumni, a faculty, and a treasurer of Alumni Association of Mata Sundari College for Women, I would like to share my feelings with you for how special this college is for me. How empowered I feel every day walking through the lobbies and classrooms, how challenged I feel whenever my seniors push me outside of my comfort zone, and the community that I foster. It isn't just an organization to me, it is home. I know how lucky I am. Mata Sundari College has always given me invaluable learning experiences. The main institution of an alumni meet is to gather our old students and give them an evening of memories and nostalgia. All of you belong here. Your hearts belong here. And home is where the heart is, definitely. Esteemed alumni, first of all, I, on behalf of the college, thank all of you to take out time from your busy schedule and be part of this event. We are looking forward to listening to your account of lines today and how the college has helped you shape you what you are today. We welcome you all to step onto the virtual stage, introduce yourself, and tell us your experiences socially and your goals. I, as a treasurer of newly formed Alumni Association of Mata Sundari College for Women, would like to foster and flourish this connect into a greater strength and would definitely try next time onwards. This participation number goes more and more every time. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Ishpreet. Next, we have Ms. Bhumika as Joint Secretary. I request her to give her introduction. Ms. Bhumika, over to you.
Hi everyone. First of all, I would just like to know that am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Bhumika, you are audible.
Thank you so much. So, hello everyone. I am Bhumika Kohli, a 2006 batch pass out, now a joint secretary in our alumni association and a youngest person to be selected as an executive assistant to Minister Commercial at Australian High Commission. Just like you all, I am also an ordinary girl who became little extraordinary after graduating from this college. I still remember that day when I joined the college and I only had two dreams. One, to get myself enrolled in English honors as I was good with English language. And the second one was to have my name on that honorary board of our college. And I was really clueless because I was having no idea. And frankly speaking, I was in that state that is this going to happen? But to my surprise, I got everything what I dreamt of. And that was just because of the faith of our respected principal ma'am, lovely teachers, and my college who really played a vital role in putting up the stepping stone for me. Okay, so now if you all remember this dialogue from the movie Rang De Basanti, where Amir Khan says, college the gate de is taraf, hum life ko nachande ne, te dooji taraf life sanu nachandi hai. So the same thing was happening with me, where on one hand, I was conquering the castles in the college by participating in various competitions and winning them. And on the other hand, I was really stressed because you really need to have a strong game because, dude, it's a real world. But then my teacher, Mrs. Suprita Jha, told me one quote by Maya Angelou. And really, I'm telling you that wherever I go, wherever I have worked, that quote remains intact on every desk of mine. And it says, I love to see a young girl go out and grab the world by lapels. Life is crazy. You got to go out and make a mark. And since then, there was no turning back. Starting my career from Airport Authority of India to meeting with the Prime Minister while working with the Member of Parliament, I landed at the Australian High Commission by breaking their 40 years of record as I got selected as the youngest employee. And this was all because of my college, my respected principal, ma'am, and teachers I met during those days. I have so many fond memories which gave me wings to bring laurels to my college. The one is by getting recognition in the world by working with an international organization. Let me end this by saying the quote by Ratan Tata, if you see a dream, then make it work. My heartiest thanks to respected principal ma'am, Pooja ma'am, and others by giving this opportunity to me. Thank you so much.